Microsoft Office 365 brings together the best of everything that we know about productivity, delivered as an always up-to-date service for organizations of all sizes. Office 365 delivers our best offerings today, along with a promise of the best productivity that we will offer in the future. I'm going to show you how it helps Karen Berg, a sales manager at Fabricam, a furniture manufacturer that does business domestically and overseas, get work done more easily from virtually anywhere and almost any device. Fabricam has employees ranging from salespeople to factory workers located around the world. They just completed production of their latest line of furniture, and Karen's team is getting ready for a sales presentation to a major hotel chain, Contoso Hotels. From the Office 365 portal, Karen has access to the services included in Office 365. Karen can access her Outlook email, calendars, and contacts from almost anywhere, on a mobile device or in the Outlook web app through the power of Exchange Online. Karen can connect with her colleagues and run online meetings with her clients through the power of Lync Online. Karen can access documents from anywhere and collaborate with her colleagues and clients through the power of SharePoint Online. Because she has Office 365 Plan E3, Karen can access the Office Professional Plus suite and Office web apps so she can view and edit documents even when she is away from her PC. Office 365 is the best of what we know about productivity, delivered as a service. With it, organizations can enable people to work from virtually anywhere, across the PC, phone, and browser.